In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an attendance tracker in Google Sheets. We'll build a simple, reliable sheet that lets you mark each student as present, absent, or late, using a clean drop-down menu. Start by opening a new Google Sheets document so you're working on a blank canvas. At the top of the sheet, label your first row with 3 clear headings: date in the first column, student name in the second, and status in the third. Keeping these headers consistent helps you sort and filter later if you need to. If it helps with visibility, you can make the header text bold, but that's optional. Next, under the date column, enter the dates of your class sessions. Use a consistent date format, such as 01/01/2025, so Google Sheets recognizes the values as dates. A simple way to organize this is to treat each row as one attendance record: the date of the class, the student's name, and their status. For a single class session, type the date once, then copy it down for each student you're recording on that day. When you move to the next class session, continue below with the new date and repeat. If your sessions are consecutive days, you can type the first date and use the fill handle to extend dates, then adjust as needed. Under Student Name, list each student's name next to the appropriate date. Keep one student per row. Consistency matters here too. Use the same spelling every time you record attendance so your data stays clean. Now, let's make the status column quick and error-proof with a drop-down. Select the cells under Status where you want to record attendance, starting from the first row of data and covering all the rows you plan to use. Then go to the top menu and choose Data, and then Data Validation. In the Criteria section, choose List of Items. In the box that appears, type the 3 options separated by commas: present, absent, late. Make sure the option to show a drop-down in cell is enabled, then click Save. You'll now see a small arrow in each status cell you selected. Click any status cell and choose present, absent, or late from the list. If you expect to add more rows in the future, you can select a larger range before applying the validation, or update the data validation range later to include new rows. That's it. You've opened a new sheet, created clear headers, entered your dates and student names, and set up a drop-down to track attendance accurately. Keep this sheet updated after each session, and you'll always have a clean record at your fingertips.